So let's now put these two parts together. So the first part was the spin. So we did the full spin or 360, then we did the half, then we did the quarter. The roundhouse in general, we use a quarter spin, okay? But now, that energy of that spin, remember, we want the energy of that spin, the quarter spin to be big. It needs to have the same energy as that full spin, all right? Now, remember, ball of the foot. I'm going to emphasize that over and over again, okay? This is to protect your knee joint and also so you get better movement. Now, we're going to do this really slowly. We're going to relax our breath. We're going to do the spin and we kick. The spin and the kick go together, okay? Now, you may have trouble with this foot spinning as you lift. Just take your time, breathe through it. You will get this, okay? So, I'm going to show you from the side first. From here, I relax my breath. As I kick, I want to make sure that I keep my head forward, keep my energy forward. I want to avoid my shoulders and my hips over-rotating like this, okay? So keep your head forward, allow your shoulders to turn, kick, then we're going to set it down forward, then step back. So from here, we breathe, kick, then down, okay? So let's do this together. Spin, lift, and kick, okay? Spin, lift, and kick. Right straight in front of you. Imagine the target is like right here, and you are right here. You're going to kick right there, okay? We're going to kick 2 down low, little one. Ready? Itch, and back. Knee, and back. Good, so spin your body. As soon as you start to spin, lift this leg up. So make it all work together. San, shi, go, ro, sich, one more, hach. Okay, good. Let's do it again. Let's do the other leg now. So with your right foot forward, you will spin your right foot, turn your body, fire the kick. Okay, let's do it together. Ready? 5 times. Itch, knee, san, shi. One more. Go. Good. Okay, a couple things I want you to check. Obviously, I'm putting a lot of emphasis on this plant leg, the leg that stays on the floor, and that rotation. Make sure that your knee and toe stay lined up. And again, spin on the ball. Avoid spinning on the heel. And also make sure that both points, the ball and the heel, do not lock into the floor. If that happens, and I have this big rotation, I may damage that knee. Maybe not the first time, but if I do this kick, 10,000 times, probably going to irritate that knee. So allow the knee and toe to stay lined up when you rotate. The next thing is when you lift this leg, I want you to squeeze up, okay? And then the knee will point forward. As soon as the knee gets to this position, fire that kick. If I kick and hold, probably going to lose balance. And functionally, you can't really kick someone that way. Okay, so as soon as that knee gets to this place, this plane forward, fire. Okay, so fire the lower leg. So as soon as I get there, I let that go. Okay, let it go. Now the knee can cross that center line slightly, but I want to avoid kicking over here when my target is there. So here, I aim that knee, kick, then place it down. When you place your foot on the floor, you want to make sure that you have control of the kick. So I want to avoid this where it hits the ground hard and I lose my core, my center, and my balance. Instead, keep the core strong, maintain your balance, and you should be able to place that foot on the floor fairly easily. Okay? It will take practice, but you'll get it. Okay, now also make sure that your shoulders do not rise. This is very common. If they rise, you lose connection, and your upper body will actually diminish the lower body technique. So add the upper body to the lower body, keeping your breath and shoulders down, okay? So get the hips and shoulders to move together, and instead of this, where your breath rises, drop your breath, extend your breath forward as you kick. Now, you may need to pull on the serratus muscle, so the muscles right here, a little bit to keep that shoulder down, especially on the back side, but also on the front side. Okay, the front side is in the kicking side. So my left leg, my left side will become the back side here as I kick. So I want to make sure that I'm not lifting that shoulder like that. Okay, so shoulder stays down and goes a little bit forward into the technique. Okay, all right, let's do a few more and review everything again. Okay, so with your left foot forward, knee lines up with which toe? Center, middle toe. Your heel is down, or is the ball down? Make sure that the ball stays down. The heel, I don't want to go up on the ball like this. The heel is making contact with the floor, but I minimize the weight distributed to the heel. So maybe like there's no weight on the heel. Everything is on the ball. Okay? At the end of the kick, that heel goes down. So as I kick, the foot is spinning, the ball is down, the heel is slightly up, but as soon as I make impact, that heel needs to be on the floor. Okay? Breath is low, shoulders down, energy line forward. Ready? Itch. And back. Knee. And back.